Hello and welcome to a brand new video on aviation code. Today we will talk to you about the Airbus A321Lr or long range. Airbus has completed its maiden test flight for its A321Lr last Wednesday. The test aircraft took off from Airbus Hamburg factory and flew for 2 hours and 36 minutes over the skies of Europe with a crew of 6 to test the aircraft's capabilities. During the short flight, the flight crew tested the aircraft's flight controls, engines and main systems to ensure that the aircraft is ready to begin its certification testing. Having passed its initial test flight, the aircraft will begin certification testing in order to obtain both FAA and EASA type certification. Test flights for the certifications, including transatlantic flights, will begin in Q2 of 2018. With LR standing for longer range, the plane can fly for 4,000 nautical miles, or about 8 hours of flying before refueling. This means that airlines will be able to use these narrow-body aircraft to launch flights between New York and Paris, Singapore and Sydney, and much more. The aircraft is designed for transatlantic routes, as airlines want to fly non-stop to and from smaller cities that don't have the demand for a big twin-aisle aircraft such as the 787-8 or the -9. The first operator has not yet been announced, but airlines like low-cost carriers Norwegian Air Shuttle or Air Transat in Canada and Ireland's Aer Lingus have committed to the aircraft. Confirmed airline customers of the A321LR include Air Transat, Aer Lingus, Azores Airlines, JetBlue, TAP Portugal and Norwegian Air, which are all planning on using the A321LR for transatlantic services between Europe and both North and South America. Furthermore, airlines including Air Mauritius, Swiss, Lufthansa and Royal Brunei are considering A321LR orders. The most distinguishable feature between the Neo and the LR is the mask around the cockpit on the LR. The mask can facilitate a change of cockpit windows. The windows go in from the outside and one has to detach the window surrounds to do it. To avoid having to paint with delicate airline livery colors, the window surrounds come in any color you want as long as it's black. Those sun-glass windows which first appeared on the A350, then the A330neo and now the A321LR has become signature Airbus, meaning that from now it's an option given to all airline customers taking A320 family aircraft. So be prepared to see more masked Airbus around the world. Airbus offers their Cabin Flex ACF design on the A321LR. By deleting the second door pair in front of the wing and with a second overwing exit, the seating capacity can be maintained despite the decreased maximum takeoff weight. The third door pair of the wings will move 4 frames back and could be plugged for 195 seats or less, and one overwing exit can be plugged for 165 seats or less. Initial A321neos are still fitted with the layout same as the A321 current engine option. However, new ones will be fitted with the ACF. The fuselage body of the A321LR allows a greater cargo capacity, as it is fitted out with a container's automatic cargo loading system to ease cargo handling operations. The cargo handling system of the A321LR is fully compatible with the worldwide system standard wide-body system installed in larger aircraft. This means that airlines such as ANA or Lufthansa do not need to purchase additional equipment cargo operations on the A321LR. A standard A321, whether it's CEO or current engine option or NEO, which is new engine option, is limited in range at just about any cabin and passenger combination by its internal fuel capacity. Hence, the A321 long range needs to carry more fuel to fly further. As such, an additional forward auxiliary center tank system will be placed in the forward underfloor hold of the aircraft. The extra fuel tankage will be added in the form of additional center tank, or ACTs. Each of these tanks takes the place of an LD3-45 and adds 2.4 tons of fuel. The ACT design has been used on ACJ321, which is a private A321, before to increase the range. When compared to other methods, ACT offers the most lightweight, optimized, yet cost-effective solution for the A320neo family platform, ensuring minimized downtime for installation. Airbus A321 long range also has a reinforced, newer landing gear to support the increased maximum takeoff weight, which has risen to 97 metric tons. In fact, the original A321s from the 90s were 15% lighter. The longer range comes with improved engines that can provide additional thrust. Pratt & Whitney has announced improvements coming up for 2019 when the A321 long range will start deliveries. So to summarize the video, I would like to give the specifications of the Airbus A321 long range. The aircraft has 2 engines and it can carry up to 240 passengers. Its maximum range is at 4,000 nautical miles, which is 7,400 kilometers. The cruise speed is of 828 knots per hour and the maximum takeoff weight is 97 metric tons. Thank you so much for watching the video and I'll see you on the next one.